Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about 7 must-have skills that you need to learn in Agile training. These skills will help you work effectively and efficiently in any Agile project, whether you are a developer, a product owner, a Scrum Master, or a leader. So, let's get started. 1. Iterative development. The first skill that you need to learn in Agile training is iterative development. This is the process of creating and delivering software in small, incremental steps, rather than in one big batch. Iterative development allows you to get feedback from your customers and stakeholders early and often, and to adapt to changing requirements and priorities. It also reduces the risk of wasting time and resources on features that are not valuable or feasible. To improve your iterative development skill, you need to practice breaking down your work into small, manageable tasks that can be completed within a short time frame, usually 1 or 2 weeks. You also need to learn how to prioritize your tasks based on their value and urgency, and to deliver working software at the end of each iteration. 2. User stories. The second skill that you need to learn in Agile training is user stories. User stories are short, simple descriptions of what a user wants to do or achieve with your software, written from their perspective. User stories help you understand the needs and expectations of your customers, and to design solutions that meet them. They also help you communicate and collaborate with your team and stakeholders, and to measure the progress and value of your work. To improve your user story skill, you need to practice writing user stories that are clear, concise, and specific, using the format as a type of user. I want to do something so that I get some benefit. You also need to learn how to add acceptance criteria, which are the conditions that must be met for a user story to be considered done. 3. Retrospectives. The third skill that you need to learn in Agile training is retrospectives. Retrospectives are meetings that you have with your team at the end of each iteration, where you reflect on what went well, what went wrong, and what can be improved. Retrospectives help you learn from your experiences, identify and solve problems, and continuously improve your processes and practices. To improve your retrospective skill, you need to practice facilitating and participating in retrospectives that are constructive, collaborative, and action-oriented. You also need to learn how to use different techniques and tools, such as the starfish model, the sailboat metaphor, or the KLM board, to make your retrospectives more engaging and effective. 4. Collaboration. The fourth skill that you need to learn in Agile training is collaboration. Collaboration is the ability to work with others towards a common goal, by sharing ideas, information, and feedback. Collaboration is essential for Agile teams, as it enables them to deliver high-quality software that meets the needs of their customers and stakeholders. It also fosters a culture of trust, respect, and innovation. To improve your collaboration skill, you need to practice communicating and listening actively and respectfully, using different channels and modes, such as face-to-face, online, or asynchronous. You also need to learn how to give and receive constructive feedback, and to resolve conflicts and disagreements in a positive and productive way. 5. Adaptability. The fifth skill that you need to learn in Agile training is adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to changing situations and expectations, and to cope with uncertainty and ambiguity. Adaptability is crucial for Agile teams, as they face frequent changes in requirements, priorities, and environments. It also helps them to seize opportunities and overcome challenges. To improve your adaptability skill, you need to practice embracing change and learning from it, rather than resisting or fearing it. You also need to learn how to be flexible and open-minded, and to experiment with different approaches and solutions. 5. Feedback. The fifth skill that you need to learn in Agile training is feedback. Feedback is the process of giving and receiving constructive and actionable information about your work and performance. Feedback helps you improve your quality and efficiency, as well as your relationships and satisfaction. It also helps you align your work with the expectations and needs of your customers and stakeholders. To improve your feedback skill, you need to practice asking for and offering feedback regularly and respectfully, using different methods and tools, such as surveys, reviews, or demos. You also need to learn how to act on feedback, by acknowledging, appreciating, and applying it. 6. Innovation. The sixth skill that you need to learn in Agile training is innovation. Innovation is the ability to generate and implement new and valuable ideas, solutions, or products. Innovation enables agile teams, as it helps them create software that meets the current and future demands of their customers and markets. It also helps them differentiate themselves from their competitors and achieve competitive advantage. To improve your innovation skill, you need to practice thinking creatively and critically by challenging assumptions, exploring alternatives, and experimenting with prototypes. You also need to learn how to foster a culture of innovation by encouraging curiosity, collaboration, and learning. 7. Leadership. The seventh and final skill that you need to learn in Agile training is leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence and inspire others to achieve a common vision and goal. Leadership is essential for Agile teams, as it helps them work together effectively and efficiently, and to overcome obstacles and challenges. It also helps them grow and develop as individuals and as a team. To improve your leadership skill, you need to practice leading by example and by empowerment, by demonstrating integrity, accountability, and trust. You also need to learn how to communicate and motivate others, by providing clear direction, feedback, and recognition. So, these are the 7 must-have skills that you need to learn in Agile training. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Agile content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.